Want to change your location on your iPhone? Maybe you want to access location-restricted content, protect your privacy, or play location-based games from anywhere. In this video, I'll show you several real ways to change or control your location on an iPhone, what actually works, and what you should know before doing it. First, here's the truth. Your iPhone's real GPS location can't normally be changed just by editing a simple setting. Apple designs location services to be accurate for maps, apps, and security. However, there are different levels of changing location, including adjusting location services permissions, changing your Apple ID region, using virtual location tools to simulate GPS movement. Each method works for different situations, so let's go through them one by one. Method 1. Manage location access in settings. If your goal is privacy, the easiest step is controlling which apps can see your location. Open Settings, tap Privacy and Security, tap Location Services, select any app from the list, choose Never while using the app, or Ask next time. You can also turn off Precise Location for extra privacy. This doesn't change your GPS position, but it limits how apps track you, which is useful for everyday privacy. Method 2. Change Apple ID region. If you're trying to download apps or access content from another country, you may need to change your Apple ID region instead of GPS. Open Settings, tap your Apple ID name, go to Media and Purchases, View Account, tap Country Region, tap Change Country or Region, select the new country and confirm billing details. This helps with App Store content, but it still doesn't spoof real GPS location for maps or games. Method 3. Simulate GPS location on iPhone. If you actually need to change your real GPS location, for example testing apps, using location-based social features, playing our games from another city, then a virtual location tool like MagFone Location Changer is usually required. This tool connects your iPhone to a computer and allow you to set a custom GPS location, simulate movement along a route, change location without jailbreaking,